Welcome to the channel ESL Learners. This is Dr. Grammar with your dose of ESL practice. Remember to subscribe. We previously discussed the definition of definite and indefinite articles and how to use the indefinite articles a and an. To watch that video, click the link in the description or in the iCards. This lesson will focus on the definite article the, showing us when and how to use it correctly. The is considered a definite article and is used when the specific identity of the noun it precedes or come before is known. It can be used with singular, plural, countable, or uncountable nouns. Note the examples here: the car, the cars, the traffic. Use the definite article. First, when you speak about a noun that was mentioned before. Example: my wife surprised me with a gift. The gift was memorable. Or two, when an adjective, phrase, or clause describing a noun identifies it. For example, the students in blue are in my class. Thirdly, when the noun refers to something or someone that is unique. For example, the Intrepid Museum has an interesting display. And fourth, with groups of countries and large rivers. Example, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, and the Nile River. Pause the video and read the conversation between James, Amy, and Eric. Write your own sentences using the definite article the and share them in the comment section. Remember to like and share this video to support the channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss your dose of English practice. Congrats! You've learned how and when to use the definite article the correctly, so keep practicing. To learn how to use the indefinite articles a and an, watch the recommended video on your screen.